YouTube, Sneaker World, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We right back, man. God soul. We in the building, man. Much love, major shout out to everybody that's been rocking with the channel, hitting the like button, subbing up, giving your support in the comments. I can't tell y'all enough how much I appreciate y'all support, man. If it's your first time on the channel, I bring you content strictly for the sneaker lovers like myself. Whether it's a new release, something that dropped but it's still some heat, I'm bringing you content strictly for the culture, man. So we're gonna be taking a look at a pair of AE2s today. I was fortunate enough to get my hands on a pair of the first colorway of AE2s to release. So we're gonna be taking a look at those. But before we get into it, I got a lot of love for AE, man. Anthony Edwards, I think he's gonna be the next face of the NBA. So I want to take a look at my AE1s before we get into the AE2. So for the first one, we got the Iron Sharpens Iron colorway, very dope. That iridescent finish on these side panels right here. We got a combination of like a teal, blue, purple, and like a silver color. So that's pretty dope, depending on how you hit it in the light. Another thing I love about the AEs, they come with some different laces. So I threw the orange laces in. Very dope to match that Adidas sign. So yeah, that's the Iron Sharpen Irons. This is an AE low. Next one is the Champagne Metallics, another AE low. Very dope. I like the insole on here as well. That blue really makes this upper pop. A nice shiny finish on that side panel as well. It's not like a mirror metallic, but it does have like a metallic finish to it, almost like car paint in a sense. But I really like this colorway too. That champagne gold is fire. This colorway here is the best of Addy 2.0. Very dope. Got some reddish pink laces it came with to match that Adidas logo in the back and that AE logo inside as well. Very dope. This is basically like a low version of the Stormtrooper colorway. The ring light is shining on here, but this is silver right here on the toe, that 3M piece right there. So very, very dope, very nice. This is the best of Addy 2.0. And this last pair is my favorite pair right here. This is the Media Day or the Chrome AE1. Very dope. I haven't even laced these yet because I haven't worn them. Still dead stock, but we got some black, all black with that chrome, and that blue really makes it pop. This is my only pair of AE highs, but very dope. I haven't worn them yet. I don't know when I'm going to wear them, but out of all the colorways, I think this is one of the hardest AE1s we got. But yeah, man, AE1s had a crazy run. I think they won Sneaker of the Year in 2024. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the first colorway of the AE2 that released back in October of 2025. Yeah, man, I was able to score this pair for $97.50. I got this from my Spot Top Fashion. So we're gonna start with the box. We got the black top for the lid, AE logo. If you see this graphic right here is actually the inside of the AE logo, which is dope on the lid. On the back as well, got Adidas AE logo. We flip that lid open, it says believe that right there on the box. AE logo, Adidas logo on the wrapping paper inside. QC sticker inside of the box as well. We got the Anthony Edwards II, size 14. Acid orange, core black, and acid red. And here you have it, the AE2 in that With Love colorway. It's a nice upgrade to the AE1. As you can see, a lot of similarities in shape and look, but it's almost as if they took the AE1 and it evolved to this. Acid orange, core black, acid red. The With Love colorway is basically giving tribute to the Georgia Peach. Every AE that releases has a storyline attached to it, so that's just another dope addition to this sneaker line. Full length light boost in this sneaker right here, as well as light strike cushioning. A nice thin mesh top on the upper right here, and these Fang-like TPU overlays right here on the upper. It's supposed to help with his explosive performance. We all know, man, AE loves to get above the rim. So TPU overlays on the front. And on the back, they got some carbon fiber inserts on the heel. Acid orange Adidas sign on the heel. Has like a nylon feel, a lot of padding back here for support around the ankle area, which is dope. All black tongue, AE logo. Again, this one piece right here. So it looks like where you pull the sneaker up on your foot, it has like a nylon feel, and then the tongue has this mesh feeling as well. Oval laces, all black. Again, one thing I love about the AEs, it comes with extra laces. So the laces come acid red to match that lightweight upper. So when we first seen the sneaker, we only got like fragments of the sneaker. So the colorway was kind of throwing me off, and I'm like, I don't know. But again, every AE that releases, it tells a story. He's paying homage to his home state, Georgia, and Georgia Peaches, you know, this is a tribute to that. So it's very dope. We got a Adidas logo on the toe, as well as on the medial side of the toe box right here. Multi-directional herringbone traction pattern. Got another TPU insert embedded for additional support. Very dope. And for people who don't know what TPU is, it's thermoplastic polyurethane. So instead of using metal, TPU plastic gives a more snug fit and comfortable fit, but still very tight around the foot. Just giving more support for an agile player that moves and changes direction fast and explodes off his feet fast. This shoe is jam-packed with technology. Got an AE logo right here on the back as well. This is very dope, man. I like this sneaker. This colorway really grew on me. All black insole, acid red AE logo in there. Black sock liner as well. I have the core black colorway on the way. I'm actually looking forward to that colorway. As of right now, that might be my favorite colorway of the AE2 so far. So I like the Timberwolves colorway too, that all white mesh with the Timberwolves colors on the fangs. So I'm gonna be looking to cop those as well. But that's all I got on these, man. Jump in the comments, let me know what you guys think about the AE2. And this is the 2025 Anthony Edwards II in that With Love colorway. Very dope, very fire. That's all I got on these sneakers right here. Jesus is love. He is the way. He is the truth. He is the life. And I encourage you guys to build a relationship with him. And I'm God. So till the next video, I'm out. Peace.